Excuse me, what time is it?
It's now 7. It's now 27 a.m.
9:27 a.m.
Yes,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
By the way, my name is Lee. Nice to meet you.
My name is Phương. Nice to meet you too.
So your name is Phương?
Yes,
Where do you come from, Phương?
I come from a city.
Huabi City?
Yes,
How long have you been here?
I've been here for many years.
Many years?
Yes,
Do you miss your family?
yes, but not very much.
Not very much.
Yes,
How often do you visit your family?
I visit my family every week.
Every week?
Yes,
How do you usually go home?
I usually go home by bus.
By bus?
Yes,
How much does it cost you to go home by bus?
it costs me about 20,000 riyals to go home by bus.
20,000?
Yes,
How far are you from here to your house?
it's about 70 kilometers from here to my house.
70 kilometers?
Yes,
And how long does it take you to get there?
it will take me about 2 hours to get there.
2 hours?
Yes,
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
20 years old?
Yes,
What do you do?
I'm a second year student.
A second year student?
Yes,
Sorry, a second year student?
yes,
You like in the school?
yes I do. I like it very much.
Very much?
Yes,
Do you usually go to school on weekends?
yes I do. I do it very often.
You do it very often?
Yes,
How often do you go to school?
I go to school 4 days a week.
4 days a week?
Yes,
When do you usually go to school?
I usually go to school in the morning.
In the morning?
Yes,
What time do you usually go to school?
I usually go to school at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock?
Yes,
Who do you usually go to school with?
I usually go to school with my friend.
With your friend?
Yes,
How many people are there in your school? How many people are there in your class?
there are 30 people in my class.
30 people?
Yes,
How many students are there in the school?
there are 10,000. There are about 10,000 students in my school.
10,000 students?
Yes,
Where's your school?
my school is in the street.
Lebanon Street.
Yes,
How far is it from here to the house?
what is it?
How far is it from here to the house? Sorry, how far is it from the road to school?
It's about 100 meters from my room to my school.
But then
It's about 100 meters from my room to my school.
100 meters.
Yes,
How do you usually go to school?
I usually go to school on foot.
On foot.
Yes,
How long does it take you to get to the school?
it takes me about 5 minutes to get there.
5 minutes.
Yes,
What time do you usually come back home from school?
I usually come back home from school at 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
Yes,
What do you usually do before going to school?
well, before the school, I usually have breakfast.
Have breakfast?
Yes,
What do you usually do after getting back home from school?
well, after coming back from school, I usually have lunch.
Have lunch?
Yes,
May I answer for number?
yes, of course. Yes, suppose it's 01633
01633
563
563
699.
699.
Yes, 01633 563 699.
01633 563 699.
Yes,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Okay, see you later.
See you later.
Ciao ciao.
Ciao ciao.